They know it was going to break down. They built a seating area.
And then they didn't even let people use it?
Right? So this is the RDA mining facility.
I was just thinking that. Hey, that's nice. Oh, yeah.
I like this cube. Woo!
Alright, it's as good as control. They built seating everywhere. Yeah. The one wasn't the line, but the sound was really like within our line. It'd be way worse.
Okay, you'll be my last one. How do we read your
Okay, I'm not taking. Are you taking any photos on your cell phone?
Not right now.
Okay.
Let's fill in all that available space. We gotta get this briefing room ready.
Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Sorry.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
What?
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety clearance because we are Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara.
Oh, in there?
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. Pokhara personnel, this is your final call to board.
Everyone's got a device.
Yes, I just want to be sure.
There's that guy.
Transport is away in 30 seconds.
We need to hold on to the gun.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little twig, get out there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers. Under direct order of General Hux, you are to clear the ship at once. Move along to interrogation.
Okay, no. Move along. Welcome to the resistance! Excuse me. Move along to
Yeah, I know, they're moving. Our ship is right there.
Yeah. Boarding pass. Boarding group I made. Yeah, 68. Oh my god. That's nuts.
Through the same door.
That's the door we came in. Mm-hmm. I just had the biggest, like...
Everyone was facing the other way.
Yeah.
Naturally.
I just had the biggest holy crap moment in my entire life. That's an impressive reveal. But
Did you notice that
the room doesn't do anything. It's just for the reveal.
the turntable moves in bursts, so you get that motion? That was good.
Yeah, that's
It's
real
not.
good.
I thought it was going to be continuous.
Yeah, me too.
That was good.
I guess that's kind of funny, right? That right there?
It's like the line to get in the line. I mean,
Yeah.
How many? 3. We need snacks. This way. Into the garbage chute. How many was it? 3. 3. Form a new line on this side. Yeah. Lieutenant, you have a party of 3 coming in. How many?
Here? Look.
Line up behind this.
Relax, okay? That just takes me out.
I feel nervous.
I feel like
I feel like I'm about to be booked.
I feel like I have nothing.
I didn't do nothing.
Your group is now ready to be interrogated. Please follow me. For the interrogation, you will be broken into smaller groups. Those groups will be represented by these color units on the ground. I need my first group of 4 on the red color unit. That's going to happen now. My next group of 4 will then proceed on to the blue color unit. My next group of 4 will be on the orange unit behind you. And the last remaining will be on the white color group here.
Line up along this
We have 5 here. We will have to have one person slide over. I promise you, you will be able to hear each other's screams. Now pay attention to the colors that you are standing on. If we have to remind you of those colors, it will not go well for you. Proceed into the cell.
Oh my god. Where's the colors? Are we on the colors?
Stand away from the walls and do not touch them. Someone will be with you momentarily.
Prisoners are secure.
stay with the closet.
Yeah, he said don't touch the walls.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way. Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Oh my god!
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's back in the blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. What are you doing?
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
We need an elevator?
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
shots came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
Going outside?
I know. Scan for a spot beacon.
We're going outside.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5. You too.
That's it. That's the best ride. That's it. It don't get better.
I could barely understand what was happening around us at any given moment.
That was amazing.
Welcome to the resistance.
Wow, wow, wow.
Awesome. Good to hear. Welcome, Tim. Are you okay? Amazing? I'm glad. Oh, don't. You're going to make me cry. Stop it.
That's amazing. Very good.
Awesome. That was amazing.
Okay, I vote.